Hello everyone, welcome to another video from ERP Management Suite. Today I'm going to be taking you through how to navigate the application. Okay, so if you don't know how to download and import the model suite you want, just go to my other video. I've done a walkthrough on how to do that. So the website if you want to download the suite. It's erp.2h2.co.uk. And now I'm just going to go into Power Apps. Okay, so once you click on the apps inside of Power Apps, you come into this page, and then all you have to do is click Run. Once you click Run, it's going to take you into this page. Okay, great. Now, for navigation, I'm going to walk you through what's on the screen right now. So as you can see, this you might think it's a picture, but you can click on it and you can see the different sub like menus underneath each of them. So for project management, these are all the things it offers. So task management, resource allocation, there's risk management, portfolio management, document management. So there's multiple, much more tools underneath project management. So we go to another one, finance. There's general accounting, budget planning. There's much more in each. So each suite tool has much more to offer. Okay, so let's go to another one. Like there's sales. There's more in sales, like sales forecasting, commissions, territory management, and more. Okay, now let's go into navigation. So if you want to go to each of these, all you have to do is come to this bottom left menu here where it says navigation, click on it, and then you'll be brought with this list. Now, this is a list of the different tools that are inside of this application that you can go into. So there's HR management, like we've talked about. There's agile project management here. You might not see the full thing, but it's there. Project management, tender management, supply chain management, sales management, and more, as you can see. So that's amazing, right? So now let's talk about going into one of them. So if we go into HR, for example, it's the first one there. We have to do click on it. Now, once you've clicked on it, you'll be wondering why is this page still here? Okay, you've clicked on it, is giving you these groups. Now you have to click on one of them, okay? So one of the many few other tools that HR gives you. So let's go into the first one, HR requirements. So as you can see, just wait for it to load. Amazing. Obviously, this is a new solution, and in that solution, we've brought in this tool and it's going to be empty because there's no data in it. So this is how you can organize and look at the HR recruitment parts. Um, there's different things like once you have enough data in there, you can visualize the view. You can email the link. There's flows, report. You can even show a chart. You can go and create that. There's a new button here. You can add a new, you see, like it says there, create a new HR recruitment record. Yeah, that's what that does. Okay, great. So that's navigation for this. So it's pretty much the same. If we go into HR onboarding, we can see it's the same thing, but obviously each view has something different to offer, right? So you can add a new data, and then once you do that and you populate it more and more and more, it's going to get more. You can visualize it, like I said, you can show chart and so on. So we can go into another one like HR trainings, and once you populate it, there'll be more fields in here and more and more. You can keep track of the training, like um who went to this training, if they've passed, and so on and so forth. So if we go into another one, for example, let's go into sales management. It brings you here automatically because like you haven't clicked on any of the other tools underneath it. So if you go into sales territories, for example, it will be empty as well because there's no data, there's no populated data yet. So it's a clean environment. Okay, so the view is still the same. There's show chart new, there's delete, there's refresh. You can click on refresh, it just refreshes it. There's visualize view, email a link like I've said before. You can even for keywords and so much more. Okay, let's go into another one. For example, sales contracts. Let's go into that. And this is where your contracts, and if a sale's been made for a contract, this is where you can track all of that. And also sales commission as well is where you can track all of that if you need to. So depending on the module that you want that you get from the website is going to depend on what you see here. Okay, great. So now that's the end of the video for navigating through this application, and now I'm going to end the video. Thank you very much for your time. Goodbye.